Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Oppo A5S is unlocked and on a clear home page. Once done, long press an empty area to trigger the home editor. You'll see Wallpaper, Widgets, and Settings. Tap Widgets to open the picker. You do this because Android separates widgets from apps. They're placed by the launcher. Now scroll the list to find the widget you want. You're ready for placement and configuration in the next step. You drag the widget from the picker onto an available grid spot and release. The launcher snaps it into place. If the widget supports resizing, long press it and drag the handles to expand or condense. Make sure it aligns with icons. Some widgets need permissions, so accept prompts for contacts, location, or storage if asked. Otherwise, the widget won't show live data. Once positioned, tap the widget to open its app-specific settings for further customization. You finish by opening the widget settings to set refresh intervals, account links, or themes so it behaves as you expect. If you need to remove it, long press and drag it to remove, then add another. If the widget appears blank or won't update, make sure background data and battery optimization aren't blocking it. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app, then re-add the widget. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes most widget issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.